Welcome back with another video. Today I'm here with
Tristan.
He's a guest here because his parents are friends with my parents and they're having dinner. And today we got some new squishies. You okay? So we got 2 new squishies and they're pretty good. I already opened them because I wanted to feel how soft they were. And let's get started. So that's some of my old ones, as you can see. So I only have these 2. That's new. So it's kind of shady right where I am. It's really squishy and soft. It's like slime.
I agree.
Okay, and then there's this one, which is I got for $10.09 for both of these squishies. So we're gonna try and fix it. Okay,
Oh no.
now Tristan, tell the camera about yourself.
What?
Oh, I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna show you all of the ones that are the same exact brand as these guys.
Oh yeah.
So I have a bunch. Oh my gosh.
They're falling.
I have a bunch of this brand.
I think you do.
Yeah, it is.
I think the turtle's one of them.
No.
Okay.
You're close though. It was this and then that little peach.
I thought it was also the panda and the cocoa thing.
No. This is the Squeezables brand. So I'm gonna show you all the ones that I have. This is a mini peach. And then this is my donut.
Do I put this in?
Yeah, you can put that in. So right here, this is the croissant like bread thing. And what I'm gonna be
Poke.
this is like this little ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
Let's get crazy.
And then we have this like little ice cream sundae thing. I'm not sure what this is. And on the back, it's got ice cream melting.
It looks like a cupcake.
Kind of. And then we have this cool shiny little pear. And we have this ice cream man. Another ice cream. Okay. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Have a good day.
Like and subscribe and comment down below. Please help us get to 500 thumbs up.